So today is going to be a really special vlog. I have been planning this idea for a while. Well, kind of. Planning to vlog this day for a while. So my sister, Gretch, told us on Christmas that she is pregnant with her first biological child. She has 4 bonus kids and now she's pregnant for the first time. So anyways, today we are going to find out the gender. But the catch is, I'm the only one who's gonna know for the next 24 hours. And tomorrow we're going to do a photo shoot with all the kids so that they can post announcing that they are pregnant. And then afterwards we're going to do the gender reveal, which I will be in charge of getting all that stuff ready, which most of it is ready. All I have to do is get the colored balloons, whether it's pink or blue. And if I'm being honest, I'm voting girl, just because one, I want a girl, and 2, she's carrying like she would have a girl, so that's kind of where my thought process is with that. So we are about to go to the sonogram place, and then the only reason that I'm going to be there is because I am going to film it. So technically this moment would be like all of them, like their special moment. I'm just gonna be a camera woman in the background so that we can use this footage for a birth vlog later on. So. All right, so in my hands are 2 envelopes that should have the same gender on it, because if not, this one's right because it's from the doctor. This one is the one that we just got from the baby place that does the ultrasounds. I don't know anything. I'm excited. Like I said, I'm thinking girl, but I don't know. But also we are going to be equally as happy because we know that whatever this baby is who God wants this baby to be. So here's to 24 hours of knowing the gender of my sister's baby and hoping to keep it a secret. Yay, okay. I think I'm gonna try, I'm gonna open this one first. My sister already left, so I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. There's no reason to be nervous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 Oh. Alright, the gender is... It's the next day. I know the gender. No one else does. And we are at the studio. And we're waiting on Gretchen, the kids, and Jeff to come. And Paige and Hudson are gonna watch and figure out the gender. So today is the gender reveal photo shoot. So we're excited. How do you feel, Mom?
Nervous.
Why are you nervous? Why are you nervous?
I just don't want anybody to be disappointed.
Oh, okay. I don't think anybody would be disappointed. I think everyone's happy because the baby is who God made.
Yep.
So, yep. All right, so we are getting ready. I got my filming camera so we can make a video out of this. My camera for pictures. My mom, who's probably gonna hold this camera and do the behind the scenes while I do the photo shoot with my sisters and her family. So I have to stand here. Jeffrey, you're gonna come behind like this. And then Gretch, feel free to like look up at him if you need to, or I know you guys are the sappiest. Look at each other, smile, happy.
Pretending to like me for once.
Gretch and Jeff. Jeff's gonna be here. Or, nope, you're gonna know where I am.
You walk around a couple times.
All right. Pete, come here. Colt, come here. Pete, you're right here. You're gonna be facing the camera, but you're gonna be looking this way. You're gonna be here. Try to make him smile.
Smile, what you're supposed to do. Smile. Smile.
Does it more often than you think.
Oh, I know. He's at our house.
So, what do you think it is, a boy or a girl?
A girl. 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 Boy.
It's a boy.
Boy. It's a boy.
Boy.
I think it's a boy.
A boy.
Wait, look at Grammy. Look at Grammy.
I about cracked myself when I opened it. I was like, oh my gosh, Jeff!
It's a boy. See? Blue sucker. So what was that? Laying on top just as I knew it was going to be a boy, so I grabbed the blue one.